Today, you will learn how to write the perfect blog post, from choosing the right articles to properly formatting your content and selecting the right images that generate interest and being able to effectively engage with your audience in the right way. So by the end of this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a strong blog content that stands out on the internet, create strong blog content that effectively communicates your ideas, that ranks high in Google, and ultimately stands out from all other content on the internet. So, if this interests you, let's get right to it.
The first thing is that you need to write about what your audience actually wants to read. It's very, very important that you write a blog post about what your audience is looking for on the internet. When it comes to blogging, the essential ingredient to succeed is you write about what the audience is likely to read, what your audience wants to know about what you want to read. Currently, days where you just start a blog post and start creating topics about your own feelings, or about your own ideas, or about your own personal roots and purposes, about what you want. This time, in this modern age, it is about satisfying the interest of the audience. So, who are your audience? What are those things they would like to read about? So, which brings me to the next topic, which is about doing keyword research. Keyword research allows you to research into what your audience is looking for on the internet, particularly in search engines such as Google. So you want to create a blog post around that, so that ultimately, at the end of the day, Google is able to rank your website high for those terms. Google actually factors in your H1 tag, not just H1 tag. Google usually factors in all the H tags or the L tags as part of the ranking process for your website. So I usually include my most important keywords in the H1 tag. So for example, this is the topic, which dumbbell is best for beginners. So I usually include this in H1 tag. Other less important sections of the blog post will actually be included in other tags such as the H2, H3, H4, H5, depending on how important the sections are. So look at this. Usually, when formatting for WordPress, you're supposed to write not more than 3 sentences in a paragraph, because it's that way it is easier to read. As you can see, this formatting is actually quite and it is deliberately done in order to aid legitimacy. There are different sections here, as you can see. I also added an image. What should a beginner choose supposed to be an H2 tag? Yes, H2 tag, as you can see. This is supposed to be H2 tag. Okay. You can see it is well formatted, different lines and sections. So once you are done, the next thing is actually to proceed to copy and paste this in your WordPress account. So I'll do that now. I'll show you how that is done. So come here, paste Control V. You can see it's actually pasted. I pasted the article. So I just activated Grammarly now, so let me just go back to the article. The Grammarly is been activated now, so it's able to suggest autocorrections for possible errors. Possible grammatical errors that will be in my article. So I'll just do that. Okay. So once I'm done and everything is good, the next thing is actually to proceed and add paste this because it's like keywords. Okay, so once that has been done, next is to categorize the article. Go to the section, category section, and categorize. So I think this is more like dumbbells to do with weight loss and fitness, so you want to click this. So I want to add this and set as my featured image. Should load up, as you can see, I've added this as my featured image. So as you can see, I've added a couple of images to spice up my. Oops, these are errors, so let's correct this. Thumbnails. So once that has been done, once you're satisfied with the blog post, okay, this is errors. So these errors are being suggested by Grammarly. That is why you need to actually install it. As you can see, I've installed it here. This is it. So once I'm fully satisfied, the next thing is actually to see some errors code down here. Correct the errors, one after the other. Okay, looks good now, so you just hit the publish button.